Gibson naman. Diyan ka lang lagi. Sorry. Nangyari.
Well. Okay, guess ko na. Si Danny pala ang financial ng restaurant. Iba ka talaga, no? Iba yung kamandag mo. Inakit at ginawa mo pa talaga si Danny. At ikaw naman, Danny. My goodness, you're too young to be a sugar daddy.
Hey, shut your mouth. Hindi mo alam ang background ni Carla. Hindi mo siya kilala. Di hamak naman mas magaling at mabuting tao sa'yo si Carla.
Mas magaling? Saan parte? Sa paglalandre? At anong background sinasabi mo? Eh, dati lang naman namin siyang muchacha. And can I just remind you, I am the future owner of the Smith Corporation. I am your future boss. So you better watch your mouth. At ikaw naman, Carla. Ano? Ikaw ang founder at owner ng restaurant.